Hey guys, Ty here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why October, November and December are the best months to start making money online. Let's get straight into it, let's go. So the next 3 months, October, November and December, also otherwise known as Q4. This is the single best time to start making money online, and here is why. You have a monumental increase in e-commerce and online retail during these 3 months, as well as an increase in demand for freelancers. With Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Boxing Day, and the run up to New Year's, you have this huge new opportunity to start making money. Whether you're selling products through dropshipping or e-commerce, or you're providing a freelance service, you have this new opportunity. Everyone is in the mindset of buying, everyone is in the mindset of needing to get things done, and this becomes your opportunity to take advantage of that. If you're not doing any of these things, then this is the best time to start. Pivot your energy and your time and your resources into a side hustle which is going to greatly benefit from these next 3 months. For example, online retail is going to increase, so start selling things online. Start a Redbubble print-on-demand store, start an Etsy store. Start something that doesn't need to necessarily become a whole business. It just needs to be something for 3 months if that's what you want to do. If starting a business isn't your cup of tea and you don't want to mess about with selling things online and dealing with customer service and fulfilling orders, then that's absolutely fine. Sign up to Fiverr or Upwork and as a freelancer and utilize your skills. If you're not familiar with e-commerce or dropshipping but you want to get into that space, simply use these 3 months to offer your time to dropshipping professionals or people already in the e-commerce space and help them out with fulfilling orders. Help them out with online live chat management. You can do this at a really low cost or just offer your time for free. In return, they mentor you and take you through the steps and show you the ropes sort of thing. Now, doing it this way, you're not going to earn a massive amount of money, but you're going to be learning a lot. Like these 3 months are very high pressure, high demand for dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs, so they need the help. They need people to manage live chats. They need people to fulfill orders. And if you're helping them out with this, then of course, I'm going to be against helping you out. And once you've got this knowledge, once you know how to do the basics, you can then go set out on your own with this new profound knowledge, and then you'll be a step ahead of the competition because you've already got this experience. Last year in Q4, I relaunched a general store. I started Etsy dropshipping and a print-on-demand store. Now the general store didn't take long until I had my first £1,000 a week. I think it was 2 or 3 weeks. And then soon after that, I had my first 4-figure day, which is crazy quick. Like, to get those numbers as a beginner dropshipper in that niche is very unusual. But because of the timing of it, because of the increase in demand in those 3 months, that even a average store with a average product can still do quite well. The Etsy store that I started is still going strong to this day. It's still making daily sales. Of course, with Etsy, it's harder to scale unless you add more products. So it is just trucking along in the background, which is quite good. The print-on-demand venture didn't make a single sale. So out of the 3 that I started in Q4, 2 done quite well, the other one not so well. And that's mainly because of what I was selling and the timing of it. So the general store niche was a gift niche, so it was like a gift store. And that obviously works very well because if you've got Christmas coming up, if you've got Black Friday, everyone's in the mindset of, oh, I need to buy gifts, I need to buy things, and they're already in the mindset of a customer. Every product on that website could be bought as a gift. And that did really well because, well, Q4, everyone's in that mindset of buying gifts for people. They're already in that consumer buying mindset, so it doesn't take much with an ad or a good sale to convert that potential viewer to a customer. The Etsy store I launched sold women's accessories at the time. Now I did pivot that after New Year because the demand and the sales completely went down because people were buying gifts during Q4, then come January, February, there was still a lot of sales during Valentine's Day period. Like I saw an increase in February, but then after that it went downhill. So I then pivoted and changed my products and changed my target. And don't be afraid to do that. If you've got an e-commerce store and you're currently selling summer products, don't be afraid to pivot, don't be afraid to adapt to the next 3 months, because that will put you in a good standing, and it will definitely increase your sales if you start pivoting your targeting from summer products to gift products or even to winter products. And if you do that, then it's going to go well. So just bear that in mind if you're already running a dropshipping or e-commerce store. Now, the print on demand store that I launched didn't do quite so well. That has like just memes and quotes on it and just on the base of the t-shirt. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was quite simple. I was quite lazy with the design and it just didn't work. But the first two worked because of the timing, and it's as simple as that. You sell gifts during a period where everybody is in the mindset and on the lookout for gift ideas, you're going to make sales. Now, if you're not interested in starting a business, that's absolutely fine. Now, this video isn't necessarily specified to starting a business. There are opportunities out there for you too, which don't involve e-commerce or dropshipping or anything like that. Some companies use focus groups to test products. Now, a lot of these companies start doing their focus groups towards the end of the year or the beginning of the following year, because the products that they're testing are for that following year release. So if you can get yourself into some focus groups, you'll be surprised on how much they pay and how little of your time it takes up. A lot of these focus groups are being conducted remotely, so remote sessions over Skype or Google Hangouts, where a few of you go in and basically the host of it asks you questions about the product. Now, you might have received the product beforehand, you might have just been sent a link, and then you just give your opinion on it. You'll be surprised how many of these focus groups that you could be qualified for and the payouts of them. Like, a lot of them will only take an hour or two of your time, and you can pay up to a few £100, and you may often get a freebie if they're sending you the product beforehand to test. So that's definitely something to consider. If you're not interested in starting a business and you just want a bit of extra cash during this period of time, then yeah, definitely consider focus groups. Simple as that. Just Google focus groups in your area or remote focus groups in your country and see which ones you can qualify for. Some of them you might need a certain background, you might need a certain education, or you might need to be interested in a certain area, like for example gaming or technology. And then once you qualify for it, they'll get back to you. They'll arrange the Google Hangout call or the Skype call, and it's as simple as that. It's nice and easy, and it earns a few more pounds in your pocket. Earlier this year, I launched a video on how to make money online. Now, I'll put it up here somewhere, and every side hustle mentioned in that video can be started in Q4 and will benefit from the increase in demand. Now, you'll be balancing the odds in your favor by starting these at this time, because like I said before, increase in demand in freelancers, in product services, so you can't really go wrong. Now, even offline retail, so like brick and mortar stores, they're going to be increasing staff during Q4. They're going to be hiring Christmas temp positions. Now, I'm not suggesting you go for them, but these people who are applying for the positions are going to need CV writers, and that's where you can come in as a freelancer. You can do CV if you've got experience in that. If you've got experience in statement writing, CV writing, report writing, then you can offer your services to write CV. If you've got a blank standard template, it does not take long at all. You could probably get one done within 20-30 minutes and charge as much as you want for it. Now, if you're new to freelancing, you're not going to get an awful amount of money. A lot of them start between £5 and £25, but the more you get, the more you do, then you can then later increase your price and go about it that way. So that's definitely something to consider. Now, another thing to consider is that towards the end of the year, people are thinking about the following year. What skills can I learn and take into the following year that might progress my career, or just for personal development for myself? What can I learn in these next 3 months that I can take into the next year? Can I learn a language? Can I learn a certain skill? Can I learn coding? And people tend to look at online courses, and the demand for online courses go up towards the end of the year because people are preparing for the following year and they want to know, can I learn anything that I can take on to next year? Like, I'm now 9 months into the year and I've not possessed any personal development skills, I've not increased my skill set. This is the time to do it. Now, this is where you come in. If you've got a skill which is highly sought after, then you can bet that there's someone out there looking for you to teach them. You can do this through Teachable, just set up a course and then promote it even on your Instagram. And if there's one person out there, then there you go, you've helped one person and you've got a bit of income from it. So do keep that in mind, and if it's something that you want to go down, it's nice and easy to set up. If it's something that you're already knowledgeable in, then why not share it? The opportunities are absolutely endless. Like, I could keep going on and keep listing opportunities, but we'll be here all day. So let me know in the comments what side hustles you're interested in. If you have any questions, please do post them down below. I will answer every single one of them. I've got experience in e-commerce, investing, ghostwriting, general freelancing, so I'm happy to answer any questions where I can. If I don't know the answers, I will find out for you. So yeah, do post them down below. If you found any value in this video, please do whack the like button, turn it blue, and consider subscribing to the channel. It does help me out. I post every week without fail, and I really appreciate your support. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.